Welcome to NEXTGear. Now I'm so very happy to finally be able to share some progress on my M3 competition build. Now it's been a long 11 months since I put my deposit down last November 2021. Now originally being 9th on the list at my dealership, I had to wait until August 22nd of 2022 to even get my allocation, which was supposed to be for September 5th of 2022. But the day came and passed without my car ever starting production. Multiple calls to the dealership and BMW Genius kept informing me that my production date was getting pushed back. We started with week 36, then got pushed to 37, 38, 39, and then on September 22nd, my status went backwards to only order received, which was quite discouraging after now waiting 10 months at this point. Now a week later, on September 29th, it switched back to scheduled for production, now with a production week of 41. And stating that my production date would be October 21st. Now on October 11th, my status changed to production begins, and then finally 1 week later on October 18th, exterior body assembly began. Now the next day on October 19th, it was in the paint booth where it stayed until October 21st, where it updated past entering assembly line, assembly in progress, quality check, final assembly, ready for transport, waiting for carrier assignment, and then it was dispatched from the factory and on its way to the port. It looks like there is a ship leaving next week on October 20th, another one on the 27th, and then another one on November 7th. All of these would get the M3 to the U.S. shores before Thanksgiving, which means I would take delivery sometime in December, just a little over a year since my order was placed. Now I can only hope that there are no further delays, and I will post another update video when it reaches the US, and then another one on delivery day itself. That should be it for this update video. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If this is your first visit to my channel and you want to track my progress, please be sure to click the subscribe button under the video and the bell icon next to it to be notified when my future videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time. Stay safe and stay healthy out there.